So I got your question in the email. Guess this is for 8.2. Suppose a simple random sample size of 1,000 obtained from a population that's over that's 1.5 million. The proportion, cut that off, but the proportion you identified it as 0.56, which is the mean of p hat, and looks like you also found the standard deviation for p hat to be 0.015. Looks like you were able to do those two parts here. Part A, I guess your question here, part B, you want to find the probability that x is greater than or equal to 590. That's out of 1,000. So first thing we got to do is convert, make it, find p. And so p is going to be 590 out of 1,000, so 0.59. So we need to convert that to proportion. So just take the 590 divided by the sample size. And then you were asking about StatCrunch. And so the mean and the standard deviation you identified, well, I went into, I clicked on Stat Calculator, went to the normal calculator, and you identified these two values, standard deviation and the mean already. And so we want x greater than or equal to 590, which I need to convert that. The mean is need to convert to proportion, which is 0.59, and I click compute, and I guess I get the answer here that you see up there. So maybe, I don't know if you forgot this step, or left this step out, I should say. Hope this helps.